How to change password on Yahoo Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change password on Yahoo Mail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing password on Yahoo Mail is actually quite very simple. All you have to do is basically go ahead and then launch the Yahoo Mail application here. And once you have done that, after you are logged into the account, tap the profile icon from the top left, then just go to settings. From here, you want to simply go to this option here known as manage accounts. From manage accounts, you want to simply go to the option called account info. Now, once you come to the account info tab, you're gonna see this type of interface again, where you have to just tap the security option and just go ahead and try to verify with whatever biometrics or PIN that you might have. Then on the next page, you'll be able to find an option here that says password, and you'll find the last change date as well. So you can tap the change password option. The good thing is you don't have to enter your old password. So if you don't remember your current password, that's not an issue at all. Just enter the new password you want to use, then tap the continue option, and then your Yahoo Mail password will get successfully changed. That's all it takes to change Yahoo password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.